Are you thinking of starting a new YouTube channel, or are you thinking of continuing your old channel with new goals? Then another few minutes is very important for you, and it will help you in growing your YouTube channel. Firstly, before starting a YouTube channel, you must have knowledge about YouTube, how it works, what all it demands, and how you must fulfill them. If you are planning to start a new channel in 2024, then this video is for you. And if you have already started, then you can apply the strategies to get more subscribers and views. Firstly, you all know that this is my second channel. I personally, before starting a channel, went through a lot of research related to my interests. And keep in mind that your interest plays an important role in your YouTube journey. So firstly, decide your interested niche. It matters a lot, because if you choose the wrong category, then after some days you may get bored in that niche, or you may start providing less quality to your viewers. So decide your niche first. After deciding your niche, now write some 10 to 20 evergreen video topics in that niche. Now you are ready to start a new channel. And keep in mind that after creating the channel, make sure that you do a best logo and channel banner. Don't change these again and again. The channel logo and channel banner also helps your viewers in giving the best impression. So make them carefully. So after starting a channel and after uploading your first video, don't expect views from that video, and upload your first 10 to 20 videos without any expectations of views and subscribers. It takes some time for algorithm to recognize your channel, but try to give your best results in each and every video. If you don't have knowledge about editing and thumbnail making, then don't worry, because these two are the process which comes from making videos. As I told you, your first 10 to 20 videos are going to be worse, but you will be learning some new things from every video. Thumbnails and editing skills are the main body parts of the video. If you learn it well, then you will be 80% successful. But many new YouTubers will face the problem of video editing and thumbnail designing. It's very common for new YouTubers, even I have also faced it. The only way I improved is by seeing the tutorial videos and by practicing in each video. So until you think that you are perfect in thumbnail and editing, don't expect anything from viewers. Because there must be something in your videos, then only viewers are going to subscribe to your channel. You can check this video for thumbnail editing. Now, after learning the thumbnail and editing skills, some YouTubers fail in getting views. In that case, check your video topic. No matter how you have made the thumbnail and editing, if you fail in choosing the good topic, then you are never going to get views. So first only I told you that before starting a channel, choose your niche properly and also check the popularity of that niche. And also question yourself that will you be able to satisfy viewers in this niche and content. If you are confident, then go for it. Topics, thumbnails, and editing, these all are interlinked. If you fail in any one process, then you are not going to get views. And try to consume the content of your competitors. I am not saying to copy their content, I am saying to get inspired by them. You must know what others are doing in that niche, so that you get rough ideas about the ongoing contents and trending thumbnails. So try to watch the videos which are related to your niche, and try to improve in every step. Try analyzing their videos, and try to note down the interesting parts of their videos. This is one kind of process where you must learn seeing your competitors. Consistency. One of my subscribers was complaining about consistency. He has a lot of work to do, so he is unable to maintain consistency. Consistency is one of the major problems, and it doesn't mean that if you upload daily video, then only you are consistent. Consistency means a proper schedule of uploading your videos. It may be one video per day or 2 to 3 videos per month. First, make a proper plan on when you are publishing the video. If you want to be regular, then you can. But if you can't follow this regularity, then make a schedule of 1 video per week. And also try thinking about your videos in your free time. This reduces the time consumption for making the videos, as you will be ready with topic and ideas. So the last thing where you can get an initial boost to your videos is by following the trending topics. At the beginning of your channel, you will not have subscribers to watch your videos. I suggest you to go for trending topics where you get initial boost and more views. We had discussed about the trending topics in previous videos, where I have shown my first channel analytics, which is based on trending niche. I personally have experienced the power of trending topics. For new YouTubers who all are going to start their channel in 2024, you can follow trending topics to get initial boost. If you don't know how to grow using trending topics, then watch this video. And wait, before clicking on this video, if you are loving my content, then please do subscribe to the channel. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.